That's a good point because often you'll see this on, single stage systems where people will come in and they'll eyeball the house or just go by square footage. They won't do a true load calculation, and they'll just go, okay, this house needs a 4 ton or a 5 ton, and they oversize it. And when the system kicks on, it'll brute force the cooling and not remove the humidity. It'll cool that thermostat off really fast, but you leave a lot of humidity in the air. But it's important to note that this doesn't just happen with single stage equipment. It can also happen with inverter equipment. While an inverter can do a lot to help remove humidity, it's still very, very important to always do a proper load calculation and size the equipment for the application.
Oh yeah. And so that was the cool thing about it being a flex, Justin, is that we could we have the capabilities of moving it to, it was a 3 ton unit, moved it to a 2 ton, moved up indoor fan speed down to 2 tons of airflow. His issue's resolved.
Absolutely.
So
And it may not even be a situation where, just the equipment can handle it. I know there's a lot of places, especially along the coastline, Houston, New Orleans, Miami, places where the humidity is so high, the latent load is so high that if you go into your extended ratings for the equipment when you're doing your equipment selection, you know, the equipment can only do so much. There are certain situations where maybe you need to add a supplemental dehumidifier in certain cases. Um,
right.
so, so it really depends upon your application and what you're dealing with. So again, it's always, always, always very, very important to do a full load calculation and then do proper equipment selection.
And that's actually, the plus side of having an inverter too. We do have longer run times, a lot more capacities to choose from, help with different size, different loads, and but kind of better manage it.
Yeah, absolutely. Your single or two-stage equipment simply can't do that. It's going to run at, pretty much a fixed speed, and it's not going to be able to lower that airflow down and try to, move the air slower across the coil so it removes more humidity like an inverter system can. So
Right.
definitely some advantages with the inverter equipment.